funny moment with Jung Yoo Mi. While appearing in Game Caterers, V told how he had a fight with Jung Yoo Mi even though the Train to Busan movie star complimented him. Recently, the cast of the highly anticipated variety show Seo Jin's or Jinny's Kitchen appeared together on Game Caterers before its premiere. The cast ranging from Seo Jin, Park Seo Joon to BTS sat down together to introduce some of the behind-the-scenes stories of Seo Jin's. The cast was asked to introduce each of their positions in the restaurant and were asked what difficulties they faced. Seo Jin first joked, "There were two workers who gave him a hard time," and recounted that one employee forgot he was in a higher position and another employee forgot he was there to work. Jung Yoo Mi then explained, "I don't usually vent my frustrations on these friends, fellow employees, but they all vent their frustrations on me." Jung Yoo Mi said with a smile, "But Taehyung, it was his first time on the show, but he talked to me a lot and gave me a lot of strength." And Seo Jin retorted, "Taehyung is the one who's most angry with you." "What are you talking about?" Producer Na then asked, "When was this?" And Seo Jin continued, "There was a time when we were eating ramen late at night and they had a fight. That's when Taehyung was most angry at Yoo Mi. He yelled, 'You're not by my side anymore,' and such." Taehyung said with a smile after saying that. "What are you talking about?" V then shared the story of what happened. "So after dinner, Yoo Mi, Nuna and I decided to eat ramen. So Seo Jin cooked us 3 bags of ramen and then he only had 1 chopstick bite of noodles and said he was too full." Seo Jin added, "That's when Taehyung said, 'Are you really going to do this to me?' making everyone laugh." Jung Yoo Mi defended herself and explained, "At first I thought I could eat it. But as soon as I took a bite, the food got here," and pointed to her neck. Seo Jin said, "So Taehyung ate 2 bags of noodles by himself. And gave up saying he couldn't eat anymore." Producer Na asked V, "Why do you eat ramen every night like that?" To which V jokingly replied, "It's really hard, working in a restaurant, so I have to relieve the stress somehow." V said with a smile. Seo Jin added, "It's interesting to see him eating ramen every night like that." And V clarified, "Food tastes good when you're with everyone." Seo Jin smiled at V's words. So they succeeded in portraying Seo Jin's or Jinny's Kitchen and all those involved in the movie